So obviously we do the fairing, but the dash here, look what we found. And we do these at rallies as well. People will reserve these and we can install them at the rallies. But here's a Clockworks dash. Imagine what that's going to do for this bike. So let's go ahead and get this put on. We can finish up this job.
So when you pull your dash, and you pull your seat, you're always gonna have these marks on the tank and up here from your old dash sitting on it. It's as easy as taking it to your local detail shop. They can paint correct that for the most part, depending on how old the bike is and how long it's been running, how many miles you have on it. But they should be able to sand and buff that out and make it look new again.
Product placement. There you go. Okay, so today we've done some major upgrades to this bike. Starting with the fender, we went to the fairing, we went to the dash. We're here at Clockworks, and Brian Clock is a little different than many people. He wanted to go a little step further. So what he did was he mailed us the cover that goes around the oil cooler down here, which we have and we painted to go with the bike. Many people call us and go, hey, can you paint this or can you paint something other than fairings? So we definitely do those things. Again, this is a kind of a one-off thing. We do them occasionally, but we went ahead and painted the oil cooler cover. So we have that here. Now, when he sent it to us, I don't know if he sent us the grommets that go with it or not, but either these grommets are in Florida or somewhere here at the shop. We're not sure, but it's a very easy item to pull off and put back on, which again, we install literally. If we had the grommets, it'd be a little bit more difficult to put on, but it literally goes on right like that. Two grommets hold it on, so that's an install of that part, which makes a big difference. Again, we're adding some custom stuff here, and that's just another custom part that is something that Brian wanted to do on this bike to make it special, to make it a little bit different than the one next to it. So we're glad to be here. We appreciate Brian and the crew at Clockworks for allowing us to come and be here with you guys today. So thank you.
Oh, wow.
Hey Chris, welcome back.
This isn't the same bike, is it?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
What do you think?
I'm speechless. This is awesome.
Well, we obviously came here to do some upgrades today.
Yeah, I
And
wasn't
you
expecting
being
it to look like this, though.
the Clockworks employee that is here all the time, or actually part-time, I understand.
Yeah.
Part-time, you retired and just
First of all, thank you.
figured there was nothing better to do that you'd hang out with these guys here at Clockworks.
Yeah, I like them that much. I would work here part-time,
I get that.
not full-time.
I enjoy being here, even in the cold. But again, we just appreciate giving us the opportunity to do some work on your bike today. And,
I appreciate it. It looks great. I wasn't expecting it to look like this.
well,
I mean, I knew it was going to be nice, but this is beyond my wildest expectations.
what's funny is we talk to people all the time that say, you know what? I saw painted inner fairing, but I didn't realize it made that big of a difference until they see it on their bike. They can see the same bike, but not realize what a difference it makes. So as we finish with this, if I get the opportunity to talk to the owner of the bike, I always tell them, as you're riding, make sure you watch where you're going, not your fairing. You don't want to run into somebody.
Right.
Because the guys riding away at a rally see this and they go, oh my God. And then they run into their buddy or whatever. So
I get a lot of comments just on the Fender now. People are just not going to leave me alone.
this is going to be a different bike for you. So again, we appreciate you. And obviously we've talked about a whole lot of things here today. Let me just tell you, as far as finding us, we are the Fairing XChange. You can find us on our website at the Fairing XChange. There's no E on exchange.com, or on Facebook, the Fairing XChange. We'll be at 18 to 20 rallies this year. You can find that on our website or on our Facebook page. Or you can call our office at 904-579-4606. So again, look forward to seeing some of you guys at the rallies this year, and others. We may have people that ship us stuff, or we may ship you stuff. But again, we look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you again, guys. Appreciate it.